Hello guys, welcome back again to yet another Photoshop tutorial, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to do skin retouching in Photoshop. Without further ado, let's begin. We're going to use a frequency separation to do our skin retouching. First, you need to open your image in Photoshop. Then duplicate the background layer by pressing Ctrl G on your keyboard. Duplicate again for the second time. Rename your first layer to low frequency. And the other layer to high frequency. Select the low frequency layer, then go to filter, select blur, then Gaussian blur. Give it a radius of around 8.8, then press OK. Now select the high frequency layer, then go to image, apply image. Layer, you select the low frequency, then the blending mode is subtract. Make sure the scale and offset is 2 and 128 and then press OK. Change the blending mode of this layer, the high frequency layer, to linear light. Now select the low frequency layer and go to brush. You can also press B on your keyboard to select the brush. Make sure you select the mixer brush. You can zoom in to your photo. Now start gently brushing over the skin to bring out the details on the skin. As you can see, the skin is improving, getting more textures on the skin. Make sure you don't overdo this. Do it gently to make the image look realistic, because overdoing will make the image look unrealistic. You can zoom in with your mouse, or you can press Ctrl+ on your keyboard. You can increase the size of brush by pressing the right bracket key on your keyboard to cover a larger area of the skin. Reduce with the left bracket keys. Just come toward the edges. Can reduce further. As you can see, the image has improved. You can look at before and after. Press Alt and click on the background layer. This is before, this is after. This is before. You can see there is a great improvement on the skin texture. That's the fastest way to improve your skin using frequency separation in Photoshop. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel to give me your support. Make sure you give me your comment and suggestion. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel as well. Thank you for watching and have a good time. See you in the next video. Thank you.